How to fix low memory on Roblox Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can fix low memory on Roblox Mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is simply head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find General. Tap on General, and after you tap on General, navigate to iPhone storage. After you're on your iPhone storage, you'll need to search for Roblox. After you search for Roblox, open it up, and on Roblox you should notice your Roblox and the amount of size it's taking. So mine is not that much, it's just total 1.73 GB. Now for you it can be up to 16, 17, 18 GBs, and yeah, that is a lot. So if you want to fix that, what you can do is you can simply delete the app. Tap on delete app and completely remove the app. After you do that, you can head over to your app store, head over to the search bar and search for Roblox. So simply search for Roblox, open it up, and then install Roblox again. Now what this does is that it will force Roblox to delete all the unnecessary files, and when you install Roblox, a new updated version of Roblox will get installed with a lot less occupancy on your drive. And that is how you can fix low memory issue on Roblox Mobile. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.